At Kanha Shantivanam, a deep love for nature flourishes in all its abundance. Here, trees are not just part of the landscape, they absorb and hold a sacred energy that enriches the atmosphere with inner peace and stillness. The global guide of heartfulness, Daji, has a vision to create a sustainable and nurturing environment for all posterity. From tissue culture to hydroponics and grafting, Daji's innovative approach to experimentation and discovery takes his love for trees beyond mere admiration. In Kanha Shantivanam, this vision has come to life with grafted trees, each one a product of love, care, and innovation, as a testament to the bond between humanity and nature. Introducing the unique and extraordinary 5-in-1 mango tree, a timeless gift developed to honor the special occasion of Daji's 70th birthday in 2025. This exceptional tree unites 5 delicious mango varieties, including the cherished ones of the guides of heartfulness, all in one tree, symbolizing love, unity, and harmony. It is a celebration of many flavors and values, all brought together in one single tree, embodying Daji's vision of connection and community. The life of the 5-in-1 mango tree begins at Kanha Shantivanam with meticulous crafting techniques to ensure that it will be healthy and thriving. Each tree sapling is nurtured with love and care for 1 year until it is ready for a new home. It is then carefully packaged to ensure that it arrives at your doorstep ready to blossom and bear fruit, transforming your garden into a vibrant celebration of life. We invite you to join us in nurturing a greener future for humanity. Pre-order your 5-in-1 mango tree today and gift yourself, your loved ones, corporates, ashrams, campuses, a cherished garden with this living memento. Celebrate the year 2025 with a tree that embodies unity and harmony, bringing the spirit of Kanha Shantivanam wherever you are.